Alright, so we picked up our new replacement pressure washer. So we're going to call this the Husqvarna PW3200 2.0 model. So I'm going to do a quick video on setting it up. I'll leave a link below on the step-by-step process in putting it all together. So this is a quick video of my replacement, a Husqvarna PW3200 pressure washer. Again, I had issues with the pump on the first one, so hopefully we'll get some long life out of this. I'll be doing an updated video probably at the end of the summer to see how it's holding up. As you see, I used my snow foam cannon and the Chemical Guys honeydew soap. Usually use that all the time when I'm washing the vehicles. I find it works great. I use it mainly, other than the onboard detergent tank, I'll use that for cleaning the house and whatnot. So hope you find this video helpful. If you do, make sure to check out my playlist. I have quite a few videos on setting this up step by step, first start, using it, and so on. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.